Yeah.
Paul.
Okay.
Hello, Paul.
Hello, Anthony. Why are you not putting on the video?
So, Paul,
You.
I kicked off the recording. I kicked off the recording.
Hi.
I kicked
PM
off the.
Dakshinamurthy is here.
Yeah. Hello, Danya madam.
Danya madam,
Yes,
adjust
sir.
your camera a little.
Now we can hear.
That's it. That's it. Good.
Nah.
Our host is trying to
Keep your head.
speak. Please allow him to speak. Host Mr. Hemant, please speak.
Yeah. Thank you. So, no, I just wanted
Madam,
to
main
give you
background
some.
sakataಗಿದೆ.
Then Magan Kelsa.
So I'm going
Hey
to
Ramki.
I'm going to unmute everybody. Sorry, mute everybody. I'm going to mute everybody so that when people talk, we will not listen any background noise. So whenever Paul or me ask you to speak, you can unmute yourself and then start speaking. Make sure that your unmute button is not red so that we can listen to you. Because last time when we had a meeting with others, we normally have this problem because they start speaking but they don't unmute themselves. So make sure you unmute yourself. And one more thing is, so the agenda, right? I already sent in the chat window. I sent you all the agenda. So this is just not formal thing, but we can change. But so that the recording will be good, I'm going to upload this video into YouTube. So if everybody speaks, it will be clear, and then we can cherish this moment for a long time if it is in YouTube. So that's the purpose. So the agenda is I'll hand it over to Paul after this, and then Paul will start with first initial speech, and then he can give it to Ramki because Ramki wants to leave early. I don't know, he already left, but he wants to leave early. Then Paul, he can please guide us and walk us through this whole process. And I think Pinto joined. I requested Pinto to give us a song at the end. Maybe you can give him a chance at the end for a song.
Hemant, I would suggest to leave a bit early because me and he has to join the same meeting.
Yeah, if anybody wants to leave early, or if wants to leave, just text me or chat window or unmute yourself, and then you can interrupt and then give us the priority so that you can speak.
Yeah, I go.
Hey, Pinto, I'm not on the same call. I'm skipping that call for today, and I got a class to teach.
That's okay.
That's great.
Okay, so Paul, I'm mute everybody and then giving it to you. Paul, go ahead.
Hey, Paul, can you unmute? We can't hear you.
Sir, Paul, one more thing. Sorry to interrupt.
Yeah.
So no, one more thing is when you speak, just to be all of us will cover some of the things I already told in the text message. Let them say that what are they doing right now, how are they doing, and let them share one or two good moments they had with BPL GTP, and you can add whatever you want us to do in your speech, Paul. Thank you.
Yeah. Good day, everybody. It was a very nice gesture by Hemant to get us all together. And I am just counting the numbers, and we are 21 people on board. And it's a very fantastic moment that 21 people from one department, one small department of BPL could join together. And it is a fantastic day for me to lead this I was leading that department, and it's very great time to give you an introduction speech. As usual, I am not grown big. I am 5 feet 1 inch only. I continue to be 5 feet 1 inch, and but today the greatest moment is that I had worked with many teams. I think after leaving BPL, I worked with many teams, but one of the most interesting teams which I had worked with the multi-talented team, matter of fact, with people who can sing, people who can dance, people who can be in the swimming pool, and people who can energize any movement were there in my team. So that was the greatest moment which I would like to say. Even though if you look at the best of best moments which I cherish was a time when we had to move from GTP plant here to GTP plant in Whitefield, and moving that great press from one end to another end, and people going behind in cars and bikes to see that safely the machine will reach Whitefield. That was one of the greatest moments. But I can cherish very great moments like having fun, having get-togethers, being in swimming pools. I think many photos were shared. Few of the photographs are with Kingfisher bottles. I can identify the Kingfisher bottles. Some of them were whiskey, and some of them were so drunk they were not able to get up for a photograph. And that was the fantastic moments I shared. Talking about what I am doing, of course, after leaving BPL, I went to Videocon. I worked with them for 10 years. I grew up to become their appliances head. Then I moved from there to a manufacturing company where they were making RO units in Mumbai. Then I went to Oman. I was in Bahrain. I don't want to go into details of where I went. Today I am back. I had planned to retire in Bangalore. I had built a house in Bangalore. I decided to settle down in Bangalore. As I told you, both my children are working now, and I am looking forward my retirement ASAP. But it's difficult for me to retire, but I am looking for something to do after a retirement. But that's what my introduction is. But one thing I can tell you, we were a very energetic team, and we continue to be energetic everywhere, wherever we have gone. Recently, we had a get-together, BPL get-together. Unfortunately, only Ramki and only Ramki could was able to attend the meeting. Others could not. But that was also a fantastic moment. I remember JMD, and I also remember JMD holding my hand and walking into the 350 people gathering. And I was so much overwhelmed by the fact that he took my shoulder to walk into the big gathering. And that is the biggest cherishing moment I have. And I always remember JMD whenever I need a commitment on a job. And I always remember Ramki for various of his initiatives. I don't want to name each of them. Karthik and Danya for her dynamic fighting spirit. She continues to fight, I think, now only to her husband, but she is not working, I heard. But she always fights with me. She used to do it, and I am hope that she is doing only with her husband now. And Giridhar with his patience. And we are missing one person, that is the person who was decided to take he is in, what is that person's name?
Ravindran.
Huh?
Ravindran.
Ravindran. Only Ravindran. But Ravindran, I heard he's living the happiest compared to all of us. He is living in a hill station. The other details will be shared by Shivu and Karthik. Karthik?
Paul, let us remember Paul Narona also. He is no more with us.
Unmute yourself. Somebody if is speaking.
Yeah. So thanks, Hemant and all the great old BPL team. I think it's a nostalgic moment for me to recall my what can I say, my entry into Bangalore. So my entry into Bangalore was with BPL. I went and bugged Shiva Prakash, and even now I am bugging. So, and it's a great team. I mean, there is, I think, Shiva, Giri, and I mean, all of you. I think we have shared multiple moments and enjoy the um, um, team spirit, I would say. I mean, I have never seen a team like what we had in BPL. Of course, I worked in other companies after BPL, but nothing to compare with what I experienced with other teams. I don't think that we had that politics or the vengeance what I see in the corporate politics today. So today, corporate politics is all about killing and stabbing each other, pulling and not very desirable, I would say. So I think that element was completely missing in BPL, which made the what can I say, the work environment very conducive. Yeah,
Karthik,
so,
share
yeah.
some of your good memories. Any fun events in BPL GTP, which you remember now.
Every day was fun. That's what I want. Every day was fun. I never, had a sorry moment. I used to come late to office always. And Shiva Prakash was the victim. Okay, by Venkatesh used to warn Shiva Prakash, tell your friend to come early.
No,
Okay.
whenever we enter the office, right, you just look at the clock on the wall, the other side. You will not say we are late. There is a clock just in front of Venkatesh. I still remember that.
So the first guy to leave office, I mean home, was Ramakrishna. So he was loving his job so much. He will, I think he opened the gate, I think, every day. Yeah. Correct, Ramki?
Don't give me that credit.
What I remember about Karthik is when during the beginning he liked wine very much, and now he has totally taken a U-turn to what I know. Am I right?
No. I still like wine. Yeah.
I wine? I don't think it's only wine.
Come on, Ramakrishna, you are revealing secrets.
So I still like wine. Yeah. So I'm waiting for meeting at the Guru Daba.
Is Guru still there? I mean, I thought Guru was closed.
No idea. No, I mean, that
Okay,
place,
I have no idea. It's been a while.
Yeah. So I think after that, personally, I could not meet many of you, but I tried to catch up with a few of the people yesterday. And I think I met Ramki in his place when he settled in Detroit, or I think way back 10 years back or something. So we drove to Canada for a Niagara Falls, H408. Yes, yeah.
Yeah, that was a fun trip.
Then I met Hemant up there. And a couple of times, I think I spoke with Giri, met Paul. I think I spoke with Deepak. Deepak worked with us for quite some time in BPL Telecom. Then I think he came a couple of years back into Bangalore and he got settled. Shankar, I spoke to him a couple of months back. Dakshin, promptly he spends all wishes for all the festivals. Then Ramki, Danya, yes, we have met I think a couple of times after that. Premjit, of course, we work together and still in touch. I think Sri Krishna, I've not met most of them, and I think Suresh, I spoke to him a couple of yesterday. Yeah. So great getting back together. Yeah.
Thank you, guys.
Okay, fantastic. Karthik, let us take this to Giridhar, who is normally a very silent person. I think today he will open up after many years. Normally he's a silent and hard worker, but he is always silent. So today, I think after so many years and his children becoming tall leaders, so now he will definitely open up and talk. So hope we will hear a lot from Giridhar today.
Nice to see you all. Hearty greetings to you all. So nice to see you all.
So nice, Giridhar.
Well, after BPL, I was with a company into non-ferrous alloys. I was in machining and foundry operations, in quality and manufacturing and systems. Then from then on, I went to a French company where there was a very enjoyable period where I was involved in TQM and setting up a culture of Kaizens in 4 of their factories, and became a factory manager for one of the 4 factories of a French company called Mersen. And after that, I was with an aerospace company for a short while, and now I am with NTTF. Each assignment was quite different from the other. And at NTTF, it's totally different from whatever I have done ever before. Our division, we work with, we form a bridge between the underprivileged youth in the country, underprivileged financially, educationally, but have reached some level of education. And we connect with the industry, we skill them, and we help place them jobs. I mean, company is doing a great job. I think I have a small role to play in that, an opportunity which has come my way. Some lives do change. From rural backgrounds, these children come, not knowing English, nothing, and they start talking about microns and and in 2 years, 3 years, they turn around, they face interviews, they get jobs. That's quite satisfying. But I think seeing you all today has been really amazing. I think thanks for Hemant, thanks for Paul, and all of you to make it happen. Excellent. Best wishes to all of you.
Okay, on the sidelines of everything, everybody wanted to know whether the most beautiful girl of SJS is there. It's a sad news. She's no more. But I was hectically trying to find out whether I can get a photograph of that girl. But sorry to say that she passed away at an young age. But she is no more with SJS.
Chand, speak something.
It's okay, Paul. Paul, it's okay. It was just a memory when everybody got into GTP.
Good memory. Good memory.
Paul,
And it is also very sad, as you said.
Giridhar sir, you didn't share any fun event.
Well, I've been with different companies, French and owner driven and all that, but I think the culture, work culture, which I've seen at BPL is the best, which I like, which I love so far, and I continue to cherish all the days I was with BPL, and it's really the best culture I ever come across, and really, what shall we say, a family kind of attitude. And yes, I do very much agree with what Karthik said. That kind of culture I'm yet to see in any of the companies which I work after BPL. And especially at Gas Table, the kind of hard work coupled with outings and get-togethers and events was really fantastic, which I only can see again back with you all again, not outside of this group, I guess.
I would like to share one small incident. We all went to Guru Dabha for a fun, and everybody drank. I don't know who all. I remember. And when I swiped my card was not enough to swipe the card, and then I had to borrow from someone. I know the person whom I borrowed. I also know the person who drank most on that day. But that is one of the funniest things.
Paul, you're on record. Huh? Please be aware, you're on record.
Did you pay him back?
It's okay.
I didn't name the person though, don't worry. It's for people to guess.
Oh, we all know the person, Paul. We're all there. You are drunk. Not many people were not drunk as much as you were, and the other person was. Paul, you are on mute.
Paul mute ಅಲ್ಲಿದ್ದೀರಾ?
Let's have someone from out of India. So I will give this chance to Hemant. So let Hemant start.
Oh, is it okay, Paul? I think Ramki and all wants to leave early. Is it okay if I speak end? Okay, let
Go
me
ahead, Hemant. I got another 15 minutes.
Ramki is a big man. He has cancelled his meeting. What are they saying? He has cancelled his meeting.
Okay, great. So yeah, let me make it quick. Maybe I can talk more at the end if we have all of us are here. So right now I'm in US. Everybody knows about it. So after I left BPL, there are so many things happen in my life. So moved to Hyderabad. I moved from BPL to Satyam, and when I was in Satyam Computers, I traveled to a couple of other countries like Middle East and Japan, and finally now settled in USA and working for a company, IT consulting company called Deloitte. And I'm still a DBA because I hope everybody remembers Paul put me as a DBA, Oracle DBA in BPL gas table as a IT person. That's my total life changed, right? From that moment. So I'm still at the same job, like doing Oracle database management every day. So no change in the field of my work from that time. Family.
Wahid, what you missed?
Pardon?
Wahid, what he missed?
Wahid. Yeah. So yeah. So the family have one daughter. She's doing engineering. Right now, first year. She just completed first year. Wife, she's still a homemaker. So that's about my family. And fun events. There are a lot of fun events. I cannot forget the travel with Suresh. Every day we do bike pool. I used to go and park my bike at his house and travel to our NS Palaya office every day. I can't forget in my life.
Thanks for remembering, Hemant.
Oh, I can't forget. And another thing, Suresh.
Yeah. Thanks for remembering, Hemant.
Remember that.
The Nanban friendship was there.
Yeah. And if you remember, we took some 100 rupees note or something on the road while we were traveling. And then we picked up that note and then we bought something for the whole team that day for that money.
Still you remember that? Good.
Yeah. So that I remember.
Good.
Yeah. A lot of things like with Nazar. I don't know why Nazar has not joined. With Nazar, Das, and I'm in touch with Murthy. As somebody said, Murthy is the one who calls everybody at least yearly once, I think, for all these days. So he connects all of us. I think we have to thank Murthy for this meeting because he gave us all these contacts. So he always calls me. Murthy.
No, thanks is not required, Hemant. Thanks is not required. Everybody should be connected always. Thank you.
Yes. Just remembering how I am connected with this team, right, from all these years. And Anil, I think Anil, if you remember, initially we used to be in touch with Yahoo Messenger and all, and we used to exchange emails. And after that, I don't know, we lost touch. And like that, so many people. Pavan, I used to be in touch, and Karthik, Shiva, and all. Recently we got connected back. Lot of good memories. If I think sometimes tears will come. I think I don't want to make this event as some kind of sad moment because Paul, I have to remember Paul always because he was the one pulled me from purchasing into IT. So he recognized my talent in there. So I don't know, Paul, if you remember, we made that vendor meet somewhere in the hotel with the PowerPoint presentation and all, like.
Yeah. I also remember one thing, Hemant, regarding you, that one of the times I think you are the best, your family was judged as the best couple, correct?
Yes, yeah, I have still that photograph. I got it from, I think,
Yeah,
Mrs.
Hemant
Nambiar.
was very unhappy later on, and that afterwards he didn't have children, and he was little unhappy. That then I said, no, nothing to do with this, and that was one of the moment I'll never forget. He came to me and said, "Sir, that day you told me best couple, and I am not having children now, and I'm very happy that you are blessed with a girl baby and you're doing well."
Yeah, Paul. And also, I cannot forget when people came to when my father was in Manipal hospital. I can't forget those moments. Like Satish, Suresh, everybody from the team came to Manipal hospital, visited my daddy. After that, he passed away. So those moments, like that, so many things I can't forget. Those the initial days are very minimum, like maybe 2 years, 3 years, but all those are life-changing moments. So I can't forget in my life. That's why I have this connection with everybody. When I saw the swimming pool photographs with Deepak, I recollected those fun moments. Like we used to like play like anything there. And
That is
even
amazing.
Chandru, I also mentioned in the text messages, Chandru, me, whenever we go to this vendor and come back, we used to go for lunch near that NS Palaya. So I can keep talking like this for those moments. So that, tell me, Deepak.
Aradhana.
Yeah. So I cannot forget. And I say sorry if I don't want to mention everybody. Santosh, a lot of moments with Santosh, with quality check and all. Like, so I can go on one by one, but I wanted to give others a chance. So I'll stop here, Paul. Back to you.
So Hemant, your look has changed, but voice is same.
Voice is same. Oh, okay, that is great to know.
Still recollect few old voice.
Too much of intelligence have gone into the head, so he lost some hair. That's the only problem. Otherwise, everything is fine.
Hey, Paul, be careful what you say.
Too much of IT things.
You are also intelligent, man.
I have company, Paul.
Okay, I will also have company. Don't worry. Let us have Danya madam back in action. If not shouting at me, let her tell her beautiful moments which she cherished in GTP.
Okay, hi everyone. It's good to connect back. So I don't know, I don't have so many memories like you all have. I think I was the last addition in the group. But yes, I had lovely moments in GTP and the other two units also. I think the best I remember, of course, my memory is quite bad now, but the best I remember is the annual day and the sports day we had. I think we really spent a lot of energy, time planning and executing the sports events. So that is something I really enjoy. And I can only think of two things when I think of GTP. One is Karthik and Satish fighting all the time. I don't know for what. All the time they used to scream the moment you enter GTP. That's the sound that welcomes you. And I think I really, among the HR thing, I really miss Hechan Srinivas. Though he is not among us now, I don't know what happened to him. But I remember he really guided me a lot in terms of labor departments and stuff like that, you know, because I was very new out of college and he really trained me a lot in the HR stuff. So I remember him a lot when I think about GTP. Though JK and all were there, I always remember HNS. Hechan Srinivas, he really kind of took me around labor office. I'll never forget the first visit to labor office and all that stuff that I learned from GTP. So that's my memories. After BPL, what I did, I joined Tyco, Indeco Engineers, a group of Tyco for some time. Then I didn't enjoy much, so I quit that and joined Metro Cash and Carry. So I was with Metro for about 8 years. Again, like the rest of them were saying, I think the two best companies that I have worked only in 4 corporates, and the two best companies I always rate is BPL and Metro. I've made like lifelong friends both in BPL and Metro also. I worked there for 8 years. So after that, I joined Infosys. for about some time. Then I quit Infi, and what I did after that, I don't know. I work right now. I do freelancing in HR, basically with assessment centers and training programs. But that's not like a big thing, but I do because I still have the passion to connect to people and be in HR, so I do that. And I also do one assignments here and there that if I like it. So other time what I do is I do all my whatever I had not done for so many 20 years, I do all that now. I've resumed my dance classes. I do long distance running. I do cycling. My best part is I go on long distance treks like for 15-20 days. Thanks to Jay. So I'm married to Jay Mohan. He works with Siemens. I think he's one of the best things that happened to me. He's a very nice guy. And I have lived with one son. He's in 5th standard now. So that's about me. So I'm basically, I don't know what to say. I'm enjoying life and working a little bit also. Thank you.
Madam, we follow you.
Yeah, you are not decided to fight with me, no?
Huh? Yeah. So so what I am connected to few people here. Of course, Mohan Paul. Every year I call him or he calls me. So once or twice a year we speak. CM is the one I stay connected all the time. Dakshamurthy. So I've nicknamed him CM. I don't know whether he remembers, but I call him only CM, and I've saved it like that in my phone.
I'll always remember. Don't worry.
So I think we are like connected all the time. I speak to him. Like somebody said, he wishes every time on all the days. So all functions, all festivals. So I'm very much connected to CM. Then I think Karthik, Shivu, I speak once in a while. That's it. I don't think Shankar also we speak once in a while. So the rest of them I'm connecting now. So it's very nice to see. I always remember Satish's birthday every year because it coincides with my mom's birthday. Though I didn't have his number and I didn't wish him for so many years, but I remember his birthday every year. So that's about me. So handing over it back to Paul.
Hi, very fantastic. So you decided not to fight with me. Thank you very much for that.
Yeah.
So let me take.
I've grown up, Paul.
Yeah, you've grown up. That time you were a girl. Though you decided to fight with me. Come on.
No, I will still fight. That doesn't give you any leverage. Be careful, okay?
I thought I should always ask a lady, and her age will be 18. She said you have grown up. So I understand your maturity. Thanks for that. So the next is, I don't want to name anybody. I would request you to raise your hands so that it will be easy for me to pick up.
Paul, I do have to get off of this call at 10:45. I like to say a couple of words. I have had fortunate to be part of this team early on in the career, so that taught me quite a bit. I keep remembering those moments. I'm fortunate to have Pinto back on my team working with me. So it's fantastic to do that. And then over the years, I met a lot of you. I kept in touch, Shashi, Shiva, Karthik, most part, and Pinto, and some of you I haven't. Not as much as I was with Paul or Venkatesh. I keep telling teams that I meet across the globe. So it's been fantastic learning experience there in BPR. So what I do today, I'm in Detroit area since I left BPL. Probably some of the endeavors that we try to do in Bangalore, you might already know. And then after that, I've been in the Detroit area. So I moved over maybe 10 to 12 jobs within the same company, done a lot of things. I'm a global trot for up until about 2-3 years ago. I ran all of our operations in China, Europe, US, Brazil. It's fantastic. I mean, I think the foundation that BPL gave was great. Family, I'm here in Michigan, and I have 2 sons. One is in University of Michigan. He's doing engineering, something to do with computers and data science, unlike Dad in mechanical. I also went to University of Michigan to finish my MBA. It's one of the top institutes in the world. It's been fortunate enough to be there. What else? I'm here. I spend a lot of time volunteering, anywhere between 8 to 10 hours in a week, for various causes. This is one of those causes. I have to go out at 10:45. I teach math for kids. I volunteer at temples. I work at food pantries to distribute food, and a lot of time spent on volunteering work. So that's me. And a lot of cherishable moments with Karthik and Shiva being roommates. That reminds me of a lot of stuff that you guys don't want to know.
We don't want to know. We don't put it on the record.
Hey Karthik, I still haven't remembered the pad or ball game that irritated the hell out of Shiva.
It was calculator.
What is it?
It was calculator.
It's not calculator. I know that.
Hey, don't demean, yeah. Don't demean. That was the first generation computers, yeah.
All right. Thank you, guys. I got to go, and I'll try to join back if you guys are still around. If not, I'll definitely catch up with you. Adios.
Thank you. Bye-bye. Have a nice day, Ramki.
Yeah, thank you, guys.
I remember Ramki for many things. One of the things I remember Ramki is that he was in my team to make the gas igniters, and we used to go and park ourselves in my Maruti red color car and sleep all the night and wait for the components to come. I hope that
I can remember all those components from Pina, that Synergy Auto.
Correct, Synergy Auto. And we used to be in the car. We literally used to sleep in the car till we get the components, and that
that hasn't changed, Paul. I mean, I still sleep in cars a lot of times. I'm a global trot. I visited probably 60 countries in the last 20 years. I've been fortunate enough to do that, but all of them for work for most part. So
And
I still sleep in cars.
Navigating a lot of routes to many places.
Yes.
I still remember you showed me many routes to BPL automation.
Okay.
All right. Thank you, guys.
Ramki, nice having you. So I think Anil wants to speak next. I will give Anil's introduction. Anil was a man who was pressing us, okay, in the press shop. So till he gets that component, we never used to make a gas table. So we used to wait with his boss. He is no more. I think we should give our condolences to him. But he and Anil were the team who used to get the basic component for gas tables.
Yeah, thanks, Paul, at least for remembering that. Hi, everyone. Yeah, it's very nice to see, because I have worked in so many people units, but the group did not have a WhatsApp group. So at least it is, though late, it has come. At least good. At least whoever thought of that, it's a good thing. Okay, anyway, I think I have been in and still in touch very much with Ilangovan. Then of course Paul and Shiva also. Then Danya, once in a way, when I used to go to Metro, when she was also working in Metro. After BPL, I started a small business. Okay, now I quit that. I stopped that, and I'm working for a Japanese company. And you won't guess. Now, right now, I'm working as a HR head for that company. And of course, because of my technical skills right now, because we deal only with mechanical products, that is carbide cutting tools. So now I look after sales also, apart from HR. That is my current role. Then one more thing
welcome to HR.
Yeah, okay. Thanks. Anyway, it's a real surprise seeing Hemant's total outlook, you know. It is really I couldn't recognize really.
A software outlook here.
Yeah, the software outlook. Yeah. Most of them are the same, except Srinivas. Yes, his hair has become gray. And
Yeah.
Giri, I know, we were right from the college days. He used to have the gray somewhere. Even though now he's maintaining that, I think. And Dakshinamurthy, I must mention, every year, perfect on Ugadi, New Year, or any other, or on Onam, he's always there to wish. And of course, that he reminds us that there's somebody called Dakshinamurthy there.
Because you're all well wishers for me, yeah. That is the reason.
Of course.
You're all well wishers for me. That's the reason I'll be there always with you.
Yeah. That's nice. Then, yeah, Krishna really surprised. I was totally different. And similarly, Wahid also, totally different look. But Santosh and I really don't get. I don't know whether I was when you were there when I was there. Not really sure.
You are there. You
I
are
was
there.
there. Okay, maybe it's a very brief. And then, of course, very nice to see Shankar. Shankar also, I was in touch until some time back. Who was with me in press shop and then what is the cooking range? Then who's this 9C61B764 with no name? The face is very familiar, but I'm sorry, I don't remember the name.
Chandru.
Okay. Now I get it. Oh, finally, Anthony is back. Oh, again, he disappeared at the moment, the same way as he came. Premjit, I always remember for the damshara that we made for that sports thing, no? A get together. So the damshara, I cannot forget the expression that he gave for that the bone collector. That was the thing I gave him, and he tried all his best to find out what the word was, and he was not able to get it. And then when I announced the name was bone collector, I just cannot forget the expression even today. But only because of that, their team lost. Otherwise, they were doing excellent on that particular day. Okay, then one more thing I wanted to inform everybody is that I moved from the place where we were staying for about 44 years. I moved closer to the outer ring road, that is near Marthalli. Built a new house. What I'm seeing now, at least the background is a new house. And then my elder daughter is working in Mumbai. Of course, she's back. Fortunately, we managed to pull her back just before the lockdown. So she's here. She's a computer science graduate, and she's working for some company, a French company called Syntel, Atos Syntel. And my second daughter is actually she's got a job in Goldman Sachs, but she's unable to join because of this. They're not asked her to join. They're actually very close to my house, hardly about 10 minutes walk, you can say. So, and Mohan Paul, whenever he feels bored, I think he calls me. Right, Paul?
I can only bore few people, so
Yeah. Okay, Simne. Oh, sorry, Deepak. How can I forget you of all the people?
Yeah. Because my journey started with you, sir.
Yeah.
Ilangovana. Who's that, Hemant?
Who's that?
Sati Das.
Couple of days back, he spoke to me. He and Suresh are conspiring again.
Can you wait?
Can't make out. What about Nelson?
Nelson was not a part of GTP.
Okay.
Don't remember. He was with Metro for some time.
Okay.
The person in security, no, you're saying?
No, purchase.
There was one person
Nelson was in GTP for some time.
Yes,
he moved from there, right?
Very short time.
No, then that's not the person. I had somebody called Nelson in Metro also for some time. So he was also ex-BPL guy.
Okay. Then one unforgettable thing about, not about BPL, but about
Nelson is with Smile Electronics.
Narona is that I met him just 2 days before he expired. That's the worst part. And then the 2 days early morning, I get a call from his son saying that he expired. And that day I had to leave to Dubai, so I couldn't even go to the funeral. That was the saddest part. Anyway,
Anil, just on lighter note, you didn't remember Santosh because he didn't reject your components.
yeah. maybe,
I
maybe,
didn't
maybe.
reject because I used to work for Anil earlier, so that's the reason I didn't reject.
Okay.
How he can reject? We used to deliver at the last moment only.
Oh, no. That is one more other strategy of ours.
We used to store it till last moment. We never used to give.
Perfected by
One lady we should not forget is regarding quality. Is
Yeah,
Rati Bhargavan. There, she was in the group. You could not add her in the group.
She's there. I saw her in the WhatsApp group, but
She's in the WhatsApp group.
Yeah,
She's in the WhatsApp group.
Yeah, she responded also sometimes, so she's there.
Yeah, that's great.
Rati madam, right? Yeah, she is active in the group.
Yeah. Who else want to speak? If anybody wants to leave early. Okay, Srinivas.
Yeah. Hi everybody.
Hi.
Hope you are all hearing. It is almost 2 decades we are meeting. We in the wildest dream we never feel that we will be out of BPL group. Anyway, what happened is happened. After left BPL, I tried my best in shares. I couldn't do much in that, and then my wife stood with me strongly. Then I worked for some company, 2-3 small companies. Now I'm a small entrepreneur. We are doing water tank cleaning for houses, apartments, institutions, and colleges. And life is going on. And I have a son. He did his BE in mechanical engineering, and now he is pursuing MBA. He completed the first year, and he is doing. He's in the second year, and life is going on. And I was in stores when I came to GTP. Mohan Paul and Venkatesh gave me opportunity to work in purchase. That gave me a lot of experience, so outside exposure. Then, in best part in GTP was Nazar's marriage. It was in 1998 when we all had been to Palani. We had a magnificent and wonderful time. Almost all of us enjoyed it like anything. A very, very great thing to remember. And as far as BPL is concerned, we were like one family, and especially our SIT team, where we were all myself, Suresh, Nazar, Hemant, everybody, Satish, Satyadas, all of us were like one family, and we always put our efforts to see that whatever production targets was kept, we try to meet that one. We were all guided well by Mr. Mohan Paul, who is, I'm very thankful to him. And very nice to see after a long time, we're all meeting again. And I thank Hemant for organizing this, and also I thank Nazar for connecting all of us. And today I don't know why Nazar is not come, is missing today. And I thank Dakshinamurthy, because he's the person who keep only Dakshinamurthy and Anthony have connection. Always he calls me for all the festivals, and I hope now we are all connected again. I would like to continue with the group, and all the best to everybody. Thank you.
Srinivas, can you try Nazar?
Yeah, I will try.
I think Dakshinamurthy is showing his hand from that time.
Dakshinamurthy wants to speak.
Yeah.
So good evening, everyone.
Good evening.
Yeah. So it's really better late than ever. Meeting together once again, not at the outside, but anyway, it's a really great moment. Hope everyone is doing well. I think Suresh is with me for the since 88. Yeah, Suresh. So ನೀವು ಇರಲೇಬೇಕು ಜೊತೆಯಲ್ಲಿ, ಯಾಕಂದ್ರೆ 88 ಜೊತೆಲಿ ಇದೀವಲ್ಲ ನಾವು.
Yeah. Not to worry. I am there.
It's a great journey along with
Yeah,
you.
yeah. I am just hearing everything as a mute spectator.
Yeah, good.
Okay.
So hope everyone is doing well. And I am working in DD Power Systems currently as the indirect taxation head. Okay. And after BPL, living from BPL, a lot of good things happened to me. So I have two twins, kids. Okay. And really the life is going on. So okay. And I'm always connecting with the people, maybe not with the WhatsApp and all, but otherwise I'm able to have a very good connect with the people because I'm living with the people. Thanks for everyone. Nice. Take care all.
Murthy,
Yeah.
can you send
Yeah,
your
yeah.
picture, email ಮಾಡಿ pictures?
Okay, okay.
I'm planning to attach to this video afterwards.
Okay, fine.
So, Dakshin Murthy, one question. You still
Yeah,
go
yeah.
to Goa regularly? Earlier, I remember you used to go for every year holiday to Goa.
No.
I don't know that secret of Dakshinamurthy going to Goa, but
No,
anyway,
no, no.
if you opened up, let's open it up later.
OMG.
And hello. Yeah. And another thing is that. Hello. Yeah. My Danya. So I have to say that thanks to Danya also. She is really a great person. Okay. Yeah. She because the certain well wishing, I am able to stay along with this company, KD Power Systems. Thank you.
I was shocked what he is going to tell about Danya. Some other secret he is going to tell about Danya. Anyway, he didn't break
I
it.
have
that-
no secrets, Paul. Don't worry.
Okay, Wajid, why
Okay,
not?
just guys, sorry, I have to leave. I have another few minutes starting. So bye bye. I think I'll catch you up
Anil,
some other time.
Anil,
Yeah.
yeah, Anil, it was nice meeting you, Anil, connecting with you again. I mean,
Yeah.
yeah, I mean, I cannot remember, I forget you because, you know, today I did my engineering all because of you. I remember that day when all the Santosh, Wahid and everyone, they were applying for engineering. I thought I will not apply, but you were the person who encouraged me to go get the form. And I, you know, like you know, it's all because of you, like I joined engineering. And today I'm an engineer because of you.
Good, good, good. So did
That's
Wahid
great
complete
news.
engineering?
Great news. That's great news. We have one more engineer.
Oh, yeah. Okay, bye bye. Catch you sometime later. Okay.
Yeah,
Bye,
bye. Bye, Anil. Thank you very much.
Let's, Paul, whoever is speaking, they can be casual also. So,
Okay.
Hi, Hemant.
hi.
Anthony. Hi.
ನಮಸ್ಕಾರ ಚಂದ್ರು.
Anthony Swami Chandru.
ಚಂದ್ರು. ಏಯ್
Anthony ಅಲ್ಲ, Anthony Swami.
ಏ ಬುಡ್ಡ ಹೋಗಿ ಏನಾಯ್ತು? ಬುಡ್ಡ ಹೋಗಿ
ಚಂದ್ರು.
ಹಳೆ ಚಂದ್ರು, ಹೊಸ ಚಂದ್ರು.
ಹೇಳಿ ಸರ್.
ನಮಸ್ತೆ ಸರ್.
ಹೇಗಿದ್ದೀರಾ
ಆಂಟೋನಿ
ಸರ್?
ಸರ್.
ನಮಸ್ಕಾರ ಸರ್. ಹೇಗಿದ್ದೀರಾ?
ಆಂಟೋನಿ ಸರ್,
ನಮಸ್ಕಾರ ಸರ್.
ನಮಸ್ಕಾರ.
ದಕ್ಷಿಣಮೂರ್ತಿ ಅವರೇ.
ನಮಸ್ಕಾರ ಆಂಟೋನಿ.
ಹೇಗಿದ್ದೀರಾ? ಹಾ, ಚೆನ್ನಾಗಿದ್ದೀನಿ.
Other beautiful dyes are there to look smart.
ಯಾರು ಸ್ಮಾರ್ಟ್?
ಚೆನ್ನಾಗಿದ್ದೀನಿ ಸರ್. ಹೇಗಿದ್ದೀರಾ ನೀವು? ಆಂಟೋನಿ ಸರ್ ತುಂಬಾ ಸ್ಮಾರ್ಟ್.
ಯಾರು ಹೇಳಿದ್ದು?
Just look at Anthony.
ನೋಡಿ ಪಾಲ್
ಸ್ಮಾರ್ಟ್ ಸರ್. ಪಾಲ್ ಸರ್.
ಪಾಲ್ ಮೈ ಕಿಡ್ಸ್ ಆಂಟೋನಿ.
ಹಾ ಹಾ, ಚೆನ್ನಾಗಿದ್ದಾರೆ. ಚೆನ್ನಾಗಿದ್ದಾರೆ. ತುಂಬಾ ಥ್ಯಾಂಕ್ಸ್. ಆಗಾಗ ಫೋನ್ ಮಾಡ್ತೀರಾ, ಆಗಾಗ ಮೆಸೇಜ್ ಕಳಿಸ್ತೀರಾ.
Really,
ಥ್ಯಾಂಕ್ಸ್.
ಅಯ್ಯೋ ಥ್ಯಾಂಕ್ಸ್ ಎಲ್ಲ ಇರ್ಬಾರ್ದು, ಓನ್ಲಿ ವಿಶಸ್.
ಪಾಲ್ ಸರ್, ಪಾಲ್ ಸರ್,
ಆಂಟನಿ,
ಹಾ ಹೇಗಿದ್ದೀರಾ?
ಚೆನ್ನಾಗಿದ್ದೀನಪ್ಪ.
ಮಕ್ಕಳೆಲ್ಲ ದೊಡ್ಡವರಾದ್ರು ಮತ್ತೆ ನಾನು ಮಧ್ಯದಲ್ಲಿ ಮಾತಾಡಿದೆ ನಿಮ್ಗೆ ಫೋನ್ ಮಾಡಿ.
ಒಳ್ಳೆ ಕಂಪನಿನಲ್ಲಿ ಕೋವಿಡ್ ಕೇಸಸ್ ಜಾಸ್ತಿ ಆಗಿದೆ, ಅದೊಂದೇ ಇಶ್ಯೂ, ಬೇರೆ
ಹೇಳಿ ಸರ್.
ಓ
ಹಲೋ,
ಕಂಪನಿನಲ್ಲಿ ಕೋವಿಡ್ ಕೇಸಸ್ ಜಾಸ್ತಿ ಆಗಿದೆ, ಅದೊಂದೇ ಇಶ್ಯೂ, ಬೇರೆ ಏನಿಲ್ಲ.
ಹಲೋ
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 ಹಲೋ,
ಹಲೋ, ಹಾ ಹೇಳಿ ಸರ್. ಈಗ ಕೇಳ್ತಾ ಇದ್ದೆ, ಹೇಳಿ ಸರ್.
ಏನಿಲ್ಲ, ಕೋವಿಡ್ ಕೇಸಸ್ ಜಾಸ್ತಿ ಆಗಿದೆ
ಹೌದು
ಬೆಂಗಳೂರಲ್ಲಿ.
ಸರ್. ಮಧ್ಯದಲ್ಲಿ ಬ್ರೇಕ್ ಆಗ್ತಾ ಇದೆ ವಾಯ್ಸ್.
ಓಕೆ,
ಹಲೋ,
yeah, who is going to speak next? Wajid,
I'll speak. Chandru.
who would like to speak?
Hi Chandru.
I'll speak.
Prakash.
ಸರ್. ಸರ್, ಪಾಲ್ ಸರ್, ಪಾಲ್ ಸರ್, ನರೋನಾ ಬಗ್ಗೆ ನಿಮ್ಗೆ ವಿಚಾರ ಸ್ವಲ್ಪ ತಿಳಿಸ್ಬೇಕು.
ಹೇಳಿ.
ನರೋನಾ, ನಾನು ಅವ್ರನ್ನ ಮೀಟ್ ಮಾಡ್ಲಿಕ್ಕೆ ಹೋಗ್ತಾ ಇದ್ದೆ ಪದೇ ಪದೇ. ಮತ್ತೆ ಒಂದ್ ದಿವ್ಸ ಅವ್ರಿಗೆ ತುಂಬಾ ದೊಡ್ಡದು ಗಡ್ಡ ಬಿಟ್ಕೊಂಡ್ಬಿಟ್ಟಿದ್ರು, ರವೀಂದ್ರನಾಥ ಠಾಗೂರ್ ತರ ಆಗ್ಬಿಟ್ಟಿದ್ರು ಅವರು. ಯಾಕೆ ಸರ್ ಈ ತರ ಎಲ್ಲ ಇದ್ದೀರಾ ಅಂತ ಹೇಳ್ಬಿಟ್ಟು ಕೇಳಿದ್ದಕ್ಕೆ, ಏನೋ ಒಂದ್ ಸಮಸ್ಯೆ ಇದೆ, ಅದೆಲ್ಲ ಸಾಲ್ವ್ ಆದ್ಮೇಲೆ ಇದ್ ಮಾಡ್ತೀನಿ ಅಂತ ಹೇಳಿದ್ರು. ಥರ್ಡ್ ಟೈಮ್ ಹೋಗುವಾಗ ನಾನು ಸೈಂಟ್ ಜಾನ್ಸ್ ಮೆಡಿಕಲ್ ಕಾಲೇಜ್ ಹತ್ರ ಹೋಗ್ತಾ ಇದ್ದೀನಿ, ಒಂದ್ ಕಾಲ್ ಬಂತು. ಸರ್ ನಾನ್ ಮನೆಗ್ ಬಂದ್ ಮಾತಾಡ್ತೀನಿ ಅಂತ ಹೇಳಿದೆ. ನೋಡಿದ್ರೆ ಅವ್ರ ವೈಫ್ ಫೋನ್ ಮಾಡಿದ್ರು. ನೋಡಿದ್ರೆ ಅವ್ರು ಅವತ್ತೇ ತಿರೋಗ್ಬಿಟ್ಟಿದ್ದಾರೆ. ಆ ಬಾಡಿ ಮಾತ್ರ ಸೈಂಟ್ ಜಾನ್ಸ್ ಮೆಡಿಕಲ್ ಕಾಲೇಜ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಇತ್ತು. ಆ ಗೇಟ್ ಹತ್ರ ಬರುವಾಗ ಕರೆಕ್ಟ್ ಆಗಿ ನನಗೆ ಕಾಲ್ ಬಂದಿದೆ ಸರ್. ಸೊ ಅವ್ರ ಫ್ಯೂನರಲ್ಗೆಲ್ಲ ಹೋಗಿ ಬಂದೆ. ಮತ್ತೆ ಅದೇ ತರ ಜೈನಾಥನ್ ಅವರ ಫ್ಯೂನರಲ್ ಕೂಡ ಹೋಗಿ ಬಂದೆ. ಸೊ ಅವ್ರಿಗಾಗಿ ಅವ್ರ ಆತ್ಮಕ್ಕೆ ಶಾಂತಿ ಸಿಗ್ಲಿ ಅಂತ ಪ್ರಾರ್ಥನೆ ಮಾಡ್ಬೇಕು. ಎಲ್ಲರ ಸಮ್ಮುಖದಲ್ಲಿ ಹೇಳ್ತಾ ಇದ್ದೀನಿ.
Anthony, I think we are planning to do some 1 minute
silent
prayer at the end of this meeting.
Yeah, definitely. Both the people, Jainathan and as well as I visited Narana's funeral also. And Mr. Ilagavan and Anil also came.
Okay.
So this thing I wanted to share with you people. That's what.
Thank you, Anthony.
And also that press shop, no, everybody is done. Anil was doing, Deepak was doing, and Wahid was doing, and all. Finally, it came to my head. Finally, I don't know A to Z. ಬಾಲ ಗೊತ್ತಿಲ್ಲ, ತಲೆ ಗೊತ್ತಿಲ್ಲ, ಬುಡ ಗೊತ್ತಿಲ್ಲ. ನನ್ನ ತಲೆ ಮೇಲೆ ಹಾಕ್ಬಿಟ್ರು ತಂದು. ನಾನು ಯಾವತ್ತಾದ್ರೂ ನಿಮ್ಮ ಹತ್ರ ಪ್ರೆಸ್ ಹತ್ರ ಬಂದ್ ಮಾಡಿದ್ದೀನಿ ಕೆಲಸ. ಕೊನೆಗೆ ತುಂಬಾ ಕಷ್ಟ ಪಟ್ಬಿಟ್ಟು ಅದೆಲ್ಲ ಕಲ್ತು ಆ ಪ್ಯಾನಲ್ ಬೋರ್ಡ್ ನೋಡ್ಬಿಟ್ಟು, ಏನಪ್ಪಾ ಇಷ್ಟೊಂದು ಸ್ವಿಚ್ಗಳಿದೆ, ಏನಪ್ಪಾ ಆಪರೇಟ್ ಮಾಡೋದು, ನಾನು ಏನ್ ಮಾಡೋದು ಒಂದು ಗೊತ್ತಾಗ್ತಿಲ್ಲ ನನ್ಗೆ. ಎಲ್ಲ
ನಿಮ್ ಬಗ್ಗೆ ಕಂಪ್ಲೇಂಟ್ ಮಾಡ್ತಾ ಇರೋದು
ಪಾಲ ಪಾಲ್ ಇದ್ದಾಗ ಏನ್ ಕಂಪ್ಲೇಂಟ್ ಇಲ್ಲ. ಅವ್ರು ಒಳ್ಳೆ ದೇವ್ರಂತ ಮನುಷ್ಯರು. ಅವ್ರು ಹೋಗ್ಬಿಟ್ಮೇಲೆ ಇನ್ನೊಬ್ರು ಬಂದ್ರು, ಗೋಪಿ ಅಂತ.
ಅದು ಗೊತ್ತಿಲ್ಲ
ஆண்டனி, ஒரே நிமிஷம்.
சொல்லுங்க சார்.
இந்த மீட்டிங் வந்து ரெக்கார்ட் பண்ணிட்டு இருக்கிறோம். சோ நம்ம எதுனாலும் நம்ம கேஷுவலா பேசலாம். இந்த மீட்டிங் முடிச்சிட்டு எல்லாம் ஃபன்லாம்.
ஓகே சார், ஓகே. ஓகே சார். உப்பிட்டவளை உள்ளவரை நினை, ಆ ವರ್ಡ್ ನೀವು சொல்லி கொடுத்தது ஞாபகம் இருக்குது.
Nader is not able to commit him. Has got some urgent work.
Okay.
Nader not able to attend.
Hi Chandru.
Hey, don't worry. If you want to edit some part, please edit it. Hemant, I think you should be able to do it. You are a IT guy. You should not have any difficulty. If not you can ask your people to help you to do it.
I would request that we go through introduction and other parts soon, because it's not a liberty of time for everybody would need to now go back to family. So I think casually in the following meetings we can have all the casual talks, the good moments, share various other things. This first meeting, good to know where who are there, where, and how to connect and be good and continue. So I think there are many people still left, so we should talk to everyone.
Right.
Hello, Shiv Kumar.
I was just talking to Wajid. Wajid is silent for the entire period. Why not Wajid open up here? Come on, you were fighting with me also, if I remember.
AWE.
Thank you, sir. Thank you. BPL 97 January. So 7 years I served in the BPL. When we were dismantling gas table plant from NS Palya, we dismantled all the machinery and started shifting to the Whitefield. Paul used to say me, you man, you have to, you are going to remove everything. At least the owner will ask to leave. Even power cable also we have dismantled and we have taken to Whitefield. And we set up the plant at the Whitefield. And Whitefield we have started working normally. And then again, I have been transferred from Whitefield to Doddaballapur for a while.
Yes.
Doddaballapur PCB plant. There I have worked for some time. Before Hemant was leaving from Whitefield, Hemant has handed over all DBA work to me from at the Whitefield. All how to take the backup and what are the data has to be taken up, and what are data to be maintained, and what are data to be given to MG Road office. So Hemant has handed over to me, that I have remembered. And in NS Palya, actually Santosh, before Mahesh was there and Vivian D'Souza was there. After they left, only Deepak and myself was looking after press shop, and as well as the maintenance work I was looking. Santosh had recently joined that time. Then evening shift, I called Santosh. He was not knowing who is calling to him. Just I called him and I asked the progress of the production. Then say next day, the Santosh asked Giridhar, sir, someone is calling and asking me the progress and what are the production. Then suddenly Giridhar sir told me, nobody has called you. How come to you? Then I told Giridhar sir, so I only called and just then told him. Then Giridhar called me. Don't do all those things. He is scared of that. And Santosh also, we were good friends and we were doing good job there. And later, one thing I want to share you that BPL has given us very good opportunity to continue our education. Myself, Santosh, Krishna, and Manjunath. We did our engineering and we have got a good opportunity. After I left BPL, I joined KPT Shell Transmission as a junior engineer. Later, after 2007, again they have called for probationary AWL Assistant Executive Engineer Class 1 officers. Again, I applied and I got through the exam and I got selected, and I'm in very good post now. So I have served in Mysore and in Bijapur district almost 13 years I served as AWE, and I served C also, Deepak native place. So 8 months I served there, but we couldn't meet there. Now we are meeting here. So it is very good to see you all, and I'm very happy. So I have married, I have 3 children. One elder son is 9 years old, second one is 5th one, and third one is the 2nd standard. So it's good. I'm happy. So I'm doing well now. Thank you. And
we used to chat in Yahoo Messenger those days.
Actually, I left Mysore. From there, I came to meet you. Then I lost all contact. Then I couldn't contact each other. So Hemant, regularly I am in touch with Deepak, Santosh, and Manjunath and Hemant. Later, we have lost the contact. And actually, Satish, I am missing because initially I joined BPL. That time we have fight with Satish. Later we have become very good friends. because he regularly some materials were required for the maintenance and all, but without preparing budget, how can you get? He used to tell me, but later on, because I was very young and I was inexperienced, and later on we have become very good friends, and we know each other then. But only Satish, I don't have contact number. Then I think with this we will contact again. Thank you.
Thank you, Wajid. That was a nice introduction. I didn't get where you are working now.
Hi, Chandru.
No, I am working in Escom, sir. Supply company. It is a distribution company. So, nearly one taluk officer. I am looking after the all supply, operation and maintenance of the complete taluk.
Good.
Nearly 70
Government job.
Government job, very powerful job. Power is coming.
Only government employee, powerful employee.
Only government power employee.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir. So that I am working for
Power star.
Yeah,
Wahid is
okay.
power star of GTP.
Pinto joining.
Hi, Pinto.
Hi.
Hi. Remove your mute, please. Pinto.
Oh, sorry, I was muted. Nice to see you guys.
Hi, Pinto sir.
Hey, Pinto, how are you?
I'm good. I'm good. How are you?
Nice, man.
Hey.
All American accent.
Hi, Pinto.
Pinto American accent.
American accent now. No.
German accent.
I'm in Germany.
Sir.
No.
Married a
Germany,
German
yeah.
girl also. You don't know that.
German,
He's
yeah.
German. He's German citizen.
Yeah, she. Hi, Suresh.
Yeah. Pinto, German idea.
Alla Germagari alla. She's Indian origin, but she born and brought up in Germany. Her parents were here.
I see.
That's why I said German girl. I didn't say anything other than that.
I know you, Paul. I know where you are going to. That's why I clarified.
Okay, carry on, Pinto. All right.
Anyway, one remembrance I have about Pinto, I was in Germany. He took me to very good places. I don't want to mention where you took me, but he took me to fantastic places in Germany. Thank you.
Yeah, we understand. We understood where you went.
Yeah, Hemant, stop recording. Now Paul can talk.
So Paul did, I mean, that time Google was not so much relevant, right? But Paul did all the studies and he came to Germany and he wanted to go there, here. And I used to take him in the evenings. Yeah, it's good. We had good beers together. Not more. Stop
I
here.
had done my research before going there.
Correct.
Well, who else wants to speak?
Shall I go?
Yeah.
Okay.
Hi.
Okay, thanks. First of all, I would start with thanking him and all group admins for reuniting this GPT. And I go from the start. I passed out the college, so then I joined BPL. It was quite new, and I learned a lot of things from Anil and Narola at the start. And the Wahid said something. He tried to call me, and very next day, Giridhar sir, confidence. Hey, forget about irrespective of the destination. Who were called, don't bother. Ask them to come to press shop and ask the status in front of you. Until that, don't know. That kind of a courage and confidence really gave me. Thank you for that. Then I moved to GI, and there I started fighting with most of the peoples. So then later QA, working with Mujib Khan, then Giri, Rati Madam. It was a good time. So after that, myself and Krishna moved to automation. Then both joined DRDO, and I worked for 2-3 years. It was a good, comfortable government job. Somehow I did not like it. So then I had a good offer in Science Hyderabad. I moved to Hyderabad somewhere in 2005. So then I worked almost 6 to 7 years in Science. Out of that, around 4 years I was working in UK for a customer place. Then I returned to India somewhere in 2011. So then I had an offer in GE Energy, same city, Hyderabad. It was a good offer and it was a good situation. I was thinking, instead of working for the services, Let's do something for the OEM. So I had a good growth in GE. So then later moved to Boeing. I came back to Bangalore just 2 years back. So started working for the Boeing. I work for Boeing Test and Evaluation. I support flight testing for all the commercial airplanes. So it's a good job going, and it's a tough time for all of us. But I still remember those good memories from the BPL. We used to party frequently. I remember the days in Spring Valley, swimming pool, lot of drinking. I started drinking when I joined BPL actually. I learned even drinking, but I don't drink anymore now. So then going around the
That's
places.
because Mohan Paul is not around.
Visiting suppliers around, and myself and Deepak, whenever we go to Pina, we used to stop by at one of the hotel for Jawar Roti. I remember those days. Yeah. Yeah, a lot of good memories actually. If I recall, no, it takes a lot of time. But now on the personal front, married, and I have a daughter Nidhi. She's 11 years old in 6th standard, and it's good to connect with all of you again. And thanks to the leader who taught me a lot of things out of college. You understand what kind of a situation we go through initially. People not only help on the career front and also on the academic front. Give a good opportunity to continue engineering in BMS college, and all the encouragement for the examinations, all the motivation along with work studies. No, it's a good combo. And I remember BPL, though I work for a big corporate now, that's a small team, right? Exciting, energetic team. I really miss that. And as Karthik mentioned, no, I have seen a lot of such things happening in corporate. But it's a good memory, sweet memories, great memories. And thank you all for connecting again. And wish you all the best. I'm sure we'll keep talking now and often.
We are waiting for the bars to open in Bangalore for the Bangalore people to join together. I am only waiting for the bars to open and the vaccine to come. I think nobody is in US now to tell us an update about the vaccine.
I think it's only heaven can give it. Left.
If the vaccine comes, we will all have the vaccine and have a party. So we are waiting for either the vaccine or the country to open up fully.
Hemant, I think if you allow Paul to talk, he'll talk the whole night. I think we should complete to talk to everybody else also.
That's
okay.
correct.
Paul is good at talking and he will talk the whole night.
Who wants to go next? Who wants to
Now
go
it is difficult for him to talk whole night without.
1 second.
Yeah.
Shivu is a devoted
Hi, Pinto sir. Hi,
husband,
Pinto.
so he wants to catch up.
How are you?
So, based on that, I give an opportunity to Shivu to speak.
Hey, Pinto.
Finally, thank you.
Thank
Guys, once again, hello. I think it's almost hitting 9 o'clock here, so we have to quickly wind up and maybe catch up in the next call.
Yeah, who wants to talk now? You are doing.
I'll continue talking, Hemant.
RJ
I'll continue
Manjunath.
talking.
You never opened your mouth, RJ Manjunath.
If you're okay, I'll just pick up and then start one by one.
I'll continue, Hemant. Can you hear me?
Yes.
Yeah, we can hear you. Shiva, continue.
Okay. Yeah. So basically, after BPL, Karthik and myself were in BPL Telecom for a short while, and then got married, did my MTech in Manipal, and as a part of that, I was in Germany for a year. So those were some good times. Yes, we have lost connect during those days. But came back from Germany again, got in touch with Karthik, worked at Tyco Electronics for 10 years. Karthik has been my boss throughout there. Thanks to him, he has been a good boss to me throughout. And now I do my design consulting. I'm a freelance design consulting on mechanical design, working on IoT products, security products. A couple of projects I worked with Karthik as well. and I have visited Mon Paul at the SJS also to scout for some projects there too. So had trying to use the old contacts to see how we can grow and be in touch as well. And in the year 2016, after I left Kaiko Electronics, Paul and myself, along with Anil, we all came together to organize one event of BPL. At that time, we did a lot of effort to reach to each and everyone, sign up and bring them on board. It was a wonderful event. We had almost 400 people attended, and yeah, it was. I was Polly, myself, Anil were in the organizing committee. We are still in touch. So we keep sharing the good moments, and yeah, Ramki came all the way from US en route to China, so it was a good moment. Karthik was unable to come there. I think Dhanya was there. Yeah, so I've been in touch with Satish also. I had visited Smile Electronics for some work related thing. Met Satish and I met Nelson also there. So pretty much have been in touch with most of them. Pinto has been in touch when he had come down to Bangalore. We had met up. Ramki, we had met up. So I mean, I basically have not lost so much touch with everyone. But yeah, Chandru, yes, have not spoken to him or met him, though we were around in Bangalore here itself. And a couple of others. Good to see Santosh, Krishna, Wahid, all here. So we should keep continuing and talking. Over to you, Chandru.
Shiva, just to say that.
You want, and finally landed up with
I can carry on.
Shiva's Regals.
Hello.
Hi, Chandru.
Chandru. Hemant, you were saying something?
No, actually, Paul and myself were trying even for that event, Skype event, but somehow it did not work.
Oh, okay.
Skype event to connect everybody in US.
Okay, go ahead, Chandru. Matadi.
Hemant, first of all, thank you for organizing this virtual meeting. I joined BPL Automation. I worked there for 6 months and I was transferred to Gas Table. I was worried, why me? Out of the other engineers, why I was selected for Gas Table. But then after coming to Gas Table, I don't regret this transfer. I enjoyed every moment working at Gas Table. I enjoyed in-house as well as outside. I think everybody knew their responsibility and everybody cooperated. That was the main strength in that Gas Table team. I cherish every moment where we went outside, like maybe Spring Valley Resort or Guru Garden Dhaba, or I think we also went to one place called Shivana Samudra.
Muttatti. The last trip was Muttatti.
Maybe. That was also very memorable. So when Gas Table got shifted, I worked for some time in Whitefield. After that, I got transferred to MED. Maybe most of them might have forgotten, Magnetic Electronic Devices. I worked there for 1.5 years in marketing department, trying to get some outside orders other than BPL customers. No? So after 1.5 years, I changed my career to Kenametal Vidya. It was on Tumkur Road. I joined their special purpose machine for procurement team. I worked there for 8.5 years, close to 8.5 years. And then got shifted to Heikel Technologies in Electronic City. They were into aerospace components. At that time, Tyco was our customer, but I didn't know Shiva and Karthik were working there. Else I got in touch with them. There also was a brief period, about 3 years. And then I got shifted to Hamag Machinery. It was a German subsidiary in India, making woodworking machines. There I worked for 4 years. And then currently I'm with Indus Youth, which visiting card I shared during this group launch. I handle materials department there. Close to 3 years I'm working here now. I'm happy. On the family side, I'm single and doing good. That's it from my side.
Chandru, you're still struggling to find a girl. I can understand that. In the Raja Jinaga, you're still struggling.
First thing I come to know, first thing I realized when I heard of SJS was that receptionist. Paul, thanks for the update.
You are now searching for her, huh?
No, I'm not interested in this institutional marriage. So I'm fine. Yeah.
Paul, he was the silent. He was a silent warrior for that.
Who wants to go next? Thank you.
I can go next, Hemant.
Suresh,
Nobody else.
No, you joined late. You have to wait for us.
Yeah.
I was from the beginning, Hemant.
Okay,
but 15 minutes.
If we can wait for some more time because
No
we
problem.
need your song.
No
man.
issue.
Pinto, just wait. Pinto.
Yeah.
You know, when the big events comes, we used to say that, oh, wait for the good song at the end, right? So we have to make people to wait for your song.
I don't want. I don't want
Pinto kuladalli
to
kile
disappoint
yavudu.
you.
Okay, go
You
ahead.
should sing
Okay.
kuladalli kile yavudu.
Suresh, go ahead.
Yeah, Suresh.
Yeah. Hemant, yeah. Let me continue, Aro.
Yeah, sir.
Suresh.
Listening.
We can
Yeah,
hear
yeah.
you. Suresh.
Yes,
We can hear,
Suresh.
sir.
Good evening, good evening, good morning, everyone. Yeah, my journey was really good in BPL. I was in gas table with Paul, and our team was really excellent. And under the leadership of Paul, was really great. And Mr. Venkatesh is not in this group, I believe, today.
He is in
And
the group.
Venkatesh is also really good.
He's
He's
there
in the group, but not today. No, he's in the group, but today in the meeting is not there. But he was also a very dynamic leader. Everyone, not only Venkatesh, all the R&D team, purchase team, stores team, accounts, all the department were really excellent. And especially our team, Mr. Paul, under his guidance, we learned a lot. And the way we gained the material, and not only we, Mr. Paul also was helping a lot. He never used to treat us as subordinate, and he was treating us all like there was no hierarchy like with him. So like not only Paul, in any department, there is no like hierarchy. Everyone was like a family, totally united. And right from everyone, I tell from the bottom of my heart, everyone was really good. Especially accounts, everyone, stores, the shop, R&D, stores, I think everyone, all, I can't name anyone, one and all. The interesting moment was really the trip we went to Palani for that Nazar marriage, where we had a very nice time, and that we enjoyed a lot. And on the way back, Mr. Kanisaran was with me. We all had a all had a very nice booth, and he puked on me when we were traveling to the back. He puked on me. But even though it's all part of thing, we were enjoying the thing. And the resort we went and we enjoyed it. It was a pleasure thing, really wonderful. Memories are great. And the photos, what Hemant has shared, going on the bike riding, was really great. So now I was in BPL till 2013. After that, the 2 years I was working for Tamara Technologies, Harinambiyar. Then I know the company was not doing so well. It got winded up. From there I moved to Malur. Malur, I just worked for 1 or 2 years in Malur. Then now presently I'm working for Narsapura in Badwe Engineering. We are the tier 1 suppliers for the Honda motorcycles. So we are doing all the parts we're giving to Honda motorcycles except for this engine and electrical parts. All the mechanical parts we are supplying to them. And we are the tier 1 suppliers to Honda motorcycles. Nothing to say much. This whatever we have done, this is a great thing. What Hemant has done by connecting everyone. Yeah. On the family front, I've been blessed with two children, my son and my daughter. Son is completed in engineering in software and is working in Zoomi Solutions as a software engineer. And my daughter is 8th standard. So family also is good. Family friends is okay. And one and all, no, everyone, I really happy to know all are in a good position. God bless.
I'll talk
Thank
to
you
you
all.
offline. I need to know a lot of things, Suresh. I'll talk to you offline.
Yeah, not the time.
At least
always complete what we're giving.
Let me join in.
Are coming out.
At least,
Can
Suresh, you can share what is the secret behind your youthness. You're still looking.
No.
There is no change for him. After 20 years, he
20
didn't
years,
even
same
lose his
It's all,
same look. There is
no, it's all,
he didn't even lose the hair.
it's all God. It's all God's grace.
He laughs a lot.
He knows how to place, how to place and how to place when, where, what.
Same after 20 years also.
No, he laughs a lot. That is the secret.
Yeah. No. See, especially whatever Srinivas says, Srinivas is a really friend of mine, a good friend of mine. And he never take it anything bad in his heart, So this way, stopping the thing.
Thank you, Suresh.
Thank you.
Yeah.
Who wants to go next?
I can go next.
Yeah, go, Sri Krishna.
So, hi everyone, and very happy that to connect with you all after 20 years. So, BPL was my first job. Like I was 19 when I joined, 19 years old when I joined, and I was a supervisor for a press shop. It was quite challenging with all the senior people and also my boss Narona. It was a very memorable 2 years which I spent in the press shop. Right. So after BPL, I moved to automation, and from automation, I went to DRDO. I joined DRDO.
Sorry, I'm looking here. Thank you. Bye.
Yeah.
Yes.
So.
Sorry. Sorry, everyone. Please, I'm take care.
Yeah. Good night. Good night, Murthy.
Okay. Good night. Good night. So
Go ahead, Krishna.
Continue,
yeah.
Sri Krishna.
So from BPL, I went to automation, and automation 2, I went to GTRE. I joined GTRE. I worked there for 6 years, and then I joined Saint, and then from there I moved to a company called Camp Systems. I was into aero engines all the time, and last year June I came back to Bangalore. I was in Hyderabad before, so I came back to Bangalore last June. So then I joined a company called Config Technologies. It's a IoT-based home automation product manufacturing company. So I'm working there for handling the operations. So that's what yeah.
Thank you, Krishna.
Maybe I'll connect with everyone individually because time is also running out. I will
that's
connect individually.
That is true.
Right.
Thank you. Who wants to go next? Deepak?
Yeah. It was a good journey to begin with. I just remember our first boss, Paul Narona, who taught me a lot of things. And yes, the BPL gas table is it was my next home. Many people know why it is. Okay. It was just like home and office, both were like a single thing for me, and forget my first journey, and it was joyful. ಇವಾಗ I am working with applied materials, and I just remember Paul mainly for Mohan Paul for mainly the day we were not having work, we did gardening also. That is great thing about Paul. So it was nice. I worked with Anil and all other team. Fought with Elango and Rati Madam for dent issues. And Giridhar sir used to come and patch up between us. and I then I went to BPL Telecom. I worked with Karthik and Shiv Prakash. Uh, it was a very good journey. Then I joined Wipro Technologies. There I was there for 10 years. So now I am currently I'm associated with Applied Materials, and I'm taking care of this AC components. Yeah, it was every moment is rememberable. I can't say one moment.
How about your family, Deepak? What are they doing?
Yeah, I have blessed with two girl childs, daughters. Elder is doing 10th standard, and younger is 6th standard.
Okay. Great. Thank you, Deepak.
Yeah,
We'll talk a lot after this. We have to lot of fun moments. I have to talk to you. We'll once everything is done, we'll open it for open forum discussions. Sudhir, do you want to go next?
A day I came to your home, and because of rain and all, I stuck, and I was with I stayed at your home, and I still remember that very thin dosa at your first floor of the house. It was amazing. Many things to discuss. Yeah, we can short it.
Thank you, Deepak. Sudhir, you want to go next?
Yes.
Yamaguchi. Yamaguchi of Gas Table.
Hi, Sudhir sir. Thank you for organizing this meeting. It was really a great moment. I think after 20 years we are connecting back. I was with BPL
myself and Sudhir are staying very near, same area.
Yes, in Yelahanka. So I was in BPL for a very short period. I joined as GE, graduate engineer trainee, right out of college. I joined in December 2000. Yeah, December 2000, and I was in Gas Table until June 2001. Then I got transferred to BPL Automation. I spent almost 4 years there, learned a lot of tooling and plastics. And after 4 years of my experience in BPL, I joined General Motors. I was in GM for 15 years, and then I left GM I think 2 years back, and now in Molex. I am the engineering manager for design team for transport connectors. I have a team of 18 members right now. I think it is nice to connect back. I remember a lot of challenging assignments given by Karthik. One of those were doing a time study on a gas table assembly line and try to increase the productivity and develop a plan for shifting it to, I think, Whitefield, right? So that's the only assignment he had given, along with many others. But it was very challenging because the moment I go to Ilangavan, he doesn't want to change anything. And I was not supposed to reveal all the information, right? So I had to take help of Manju and collect a lot of information. So I think I was used to approach Giri whenever I had to collect some information, and I really appreciate him for his patience. And as usual, Paul is very lively, and whenever I go to him, I get energized. So it's a great memory I have. And Shiva and Deepak Chandru were mentors guiding me whenever I was used to have some issues or challenges at work. So it was nice team. We had the engineering team. I spent 4 years with Premjit in automation, and Pinto, I think it was a very short interaction. After that, we did not meet. So hopefully we'll catch up soon after this pandemic. And here, except Ramki and Anil, I remember everybody. I don't know whether you people remember me.
So the look is completely changed.
Yes.
Yeah.
Actually,
I remember that face. I can remember
asking me
still
about
now.
you, sir.
Sudhir, thank you. How is your family doing?
Yeah, my wife is a government high school teacher, and my daughter is studying in 6th standard. in Yelahanka, and my son is just starting this school. So right now I'm in Shirti. So yeah, I'm away from Bangalore, but we'll hopefully catch up soon.
Great. Thank you, Sudhir. Who wants to go next? I
I can
see
start.
Sri Krishna is done. Manjunath,
Yeah.
Matadi.
Can you hear, sir?
Yeah, Matadi.
Yeah. Good evening, everybody. Sir, I was working with Ilangon around for 5 years, from 98 to 2003. I have a great experience working in gas tables. And I remember that Mohan Paul sir, when Sundays when people used to work, he used to bring the music system in this car, and he used to play with the with different atmosphere. People used to work in the different atmosphere, and he used to bring some sweets, rasgulla and all. So there is a different type of motivation he was giving that time. And Giridhar sir also, I remember once I used to take the classes for quality circle. I was very nervous. That time he used to tell me, if you have a glass of water and relax and go and take. I proceeded from that time. So it was like, I remember that. So after BPL, I joined 1 year in some other company. Then from 2005, from 15 years, I've been serving in HL in quality engineering department. I served for Jaguar and Hawk, and now I'm working in LCA project. So it is very happy to serve in that. And family side, I have 2 children. My son is studying in, now is 10th, is going for 9th to 10th. Daughter is 2nd standard. And my wife also, she's also working in HL only. After myself, she got a job there for marrying. So we'll talk after further, because time is very.
You live close by to HAL or?
Pardon?
Are you staying close to HAL area?
Yeah, I'm in Ramurthy Nagar, 10 kilometers to HL.
Oh.
Yeah.
He's close to my house.
Yeah, I now I heard many people are located near my only. I spoke to Anthony. He's 1 kilometer away from me.
I always see your Facebook updates. But
Yeah. Yourself and Suresh, yeah, Mr. Suresh and Pinto, everybody is in contact with the Facebook. And Chandru also.
Yeah, that's true.
Thank you, Manjunath. Let me finish others quickly.
Okay.
Karthik, go ahead.
Manjunath, which platform you are working on in Tejas?
Quality.
Oh, you are in quality. Okay, fine.
Yes.
So Karthik will approach you for his business. Okay.
I met him,
who wants to go next? Who wants to go next?
Who else is there, sir?
Pinto.
Das Matatira. Just we want to hear your voice. Das, say hi, hello.
Hi, Karthik.
Hello. They can hear you. Just hello and Heli. Hello, Heli. See, we all want to hear your voice, Das. Matadi. Okay, thank you, Das.
Hemant, you are connecting him from Bangalore to US and back to Bangalore, huh?
Back to Bangalore. Yeah, that was the fun.
Thank you.
He is doing round tripping.
Thank you, Das. We just I hope everybody heard your voice. Thank you. Who wants to go next? Anthony, you want to say something? I think you spoke already. And Sudhir is done. I think we are all done. Paul.
Shankar.
I was waiting for everybody to clear, sir.
Oh, sorry, Shankar. Go ahead.
Yeah, it's okay, no problem, sir. Hi to everyone again. It's a very happy moment to see all the faces again after 20 years. And it was a very, very good opportunity I had to work in BPL along with you people. And today I wanted to thank all of you to taught me the good things in my works as well as in my life. So I especially thank to Paul sir. He had given good opportunities to prove my efficiency at gas tables. I joined as an operator, but end of the day when I left BPL, so I took very good challenge in my career So it was a business. So this was the whole thing. And after resigning BPL in 2003, June 1st, I resigned my job. Then straight away, I joined my brother, who was in business already from 92. So he gave me one special line, which is belongs to the design group in a civil activities.
Did we
Hello?
lose you?
Yeah. So I joined my brother, and he gave a separate line for me to work with all the leading architects. So from 2003, I started working with all the leading architects in Bangalore, and especially I do all roofing designs for the architects, and I execute the works also. I think I shared a few pictures on WhatsApp.
Yeah,
I
was
heard
nice,
that he
actually.
made the
And
Anjum Nambiar's house also, if I'm right.
I did. I was very lucky to work again for Anju and Ajit Nambiar's residence at Lavely Road. So I only designed their roof work. So I executed the work also there. And I did some work for JMD and his son also, Hari Nambiar. And now worked for few good film stars, and especially Dharmasthala Virendra Hegdeji's residence in Bangalore as well as in Dharmasthala. So that is all through my architects again. So presently I'm working with this particular line. And I got married in 2012, November 18th. Could not invite everybody because of I lost all the contacts. So my wife from Chennai, she was an employee of Standard Chartered Bank, and after marriage I denied to send her for work, and we have a good son who is 6 years old, and now he's doing his first standard. So it's very happy moment to see all the faces once again after almost two decades. So thank you for giving this good opportunity. And firstly, I would like to thank Hemant sir for arranging this virtual meeting.
Thanks, Shankar.
Yeah.
Thanks, Shankar.
Yes,
Paul,
sir.
I think.
Thank you.
Okay.
It's back to
there
you.
is one person who has not spoken.
I know. I know. So you can take, and then we can. I wanted to end with a song. So you can now take over and then finish up.
There is a complaint that I speak too much, and everybody is hungry. And especially people in India are hungry. So already Karthik was having his his dinner in between. So I don't want to spend too much time, but I am very happy. I proudly say it's my team, and I am very happy that all of you had taken the call and come and spend all 2 hours plus. We will enjoy, and I'm sure I am in Bangalore. Let the pandemic move off, and then we will have a grand get together. Then we will have a virtual meeting and tell them cheers on their screens. Okay. So over in Bangalore, we will meet together.
Sure.
And we request who are in US will meet together in one place, and then we will have a grand meeting. Giri, I hope you agree with me.
Sure.
Okay, so what we will do is that it was a nice introduction. So we will continue this. Most of the people are working from home, and there will be some time, or Sundays will be good for us, and this is ideal time. So let us meet and have fun, virtual fun if you cannot meet together during the pandemic. Okay, so I hand over to Hemant. Let Hemant take it, and Pinto will close it with a fantastic Malayalam or Kannada song, whichever
Kannada
is
song.
Ooh, will be difficult.
Paul, thank you. So Pinto, sorry to put you on the spot, but once you finish up, what we do is finally we'll pray for a minute for Jayanathan and Narola sir, and then we'll conclude this meeting.
Srinivas sir also.
And Srinivas.
And Mr. Srinivas also.
Okay, Srinivas.
Oh,
So
Srinivas. Okay.
we'll remember them at the end and then pray for a minute. So Pinto, go ahead and then no pressure. Take your time.
Yeah, I will take only 3 minutes. So I thanks for organizing it, Hemant. And it was very good opportunity to meet all of you. I remember Mohan Paul was inviting for this event in 2016 or 15, which I tried to join by Skype. I couldn't make it. Somehow the link was broken. I couldn't really join there. But personally, I couldn't anyway make it. But last 2-3 years ago, I met Karthik and Shiva and Premjit when I was in Bangalore. We tried to also get Chandru. We couldn't catch him. As usual, Chandru is always hiding in Rajaji Nagar in his in his place. I still remember it was a nice team. We had a great team. It always cherish that memory. It just worked only 2.5 years in BPL, but it was giving a lot of motivation and trust in the career and all the personal life. So after leaving BPL, I joined Infi. I worked in Infi almost 2.5 years, and I left Infi and joined in the German company here, Johnson Controls, which makes automobile interiors. Then afterwards, it divested into another company called Adient. Then from Adient, last year I joined with Ramkey's company, Henniges, as a European engineering director. So that's professionally, and personally, I met my wife in Germany. She born and brought up Indian girl here, so I met her. That's the reason I stayed back in Germany, and I have 3 kids, 14-year-old daughter Ishani, and my son is 9 years, and another daughter 4 years. And living happily here, and it's nice to see all of you. And somebody was asking me, I think Deepak was asking me about anybody from the family is singing. Definitely my girl is taking the baton. She's a good singer. She's not singing Malayalam, but she sings Western, some of Hindi songs. So I'm happy that at least somebody from the family is also taking some singing skills. So that's it from my side.
Thank you. Great, Pinto.
So now I need to sing a song. That will be
just a few lines.
Not few lines, sir. The full song we need. Pinto sir, you still remember that Tunturu song?
I remember 1 or 2 lines. Maybe I can start. Don't piss me off if I'm making some mistakes in Kannada.
That is fine, sir. That is fine. Not a problem at all.
Let me
go ahead.
Try. Tunturu alli neera haadu Kambana illi preethi haadu Tunturu alli neera haadu Kambana illi preethi haadu Hagalirali irulirali ನೀನಿರದೆ ಹೇಗಿರಲಿ ನಯಾನೆ ತುಂಬಿದೆ. Forgot. That's all I remember.
That's good.
Thanks,
thank you, Beda. Thank you.
Thanks.
I think somebody joined us recently. I don't know who is that. I see some numbers.
Hemant is Chandru.
That's Chandru.
Oh, Chandru.
Yeah,
okay. So I think if everybody is good, anyone last minute speech or anything before we start the prayer.
Srinivas wants to speak.
Just one thing, Paul. Where do you stay in Bangalore?
Staying in Kanakapura Road in Mantri Tranquil.
Oh, good. Okay.
Very close to Danya, but unfortunately I have not gone to Danya's place. He has not
No,
invited
walking
me,
distance.
so I have not gone.
Come on, I gave up. Now I no more invitation.
Okay. Thank you all for joining this. Let's start 1 minute prayer for those lives we lost. 3 people, just Narola, Jainathan, and last person.
Srinivas Murthy. Yeah.
Srinivas Murthy. and then we'll just get the blessings. Let's start 1 minute. Let's 1 minute. Let's start from now. Thank you. Okay, thank you.
Thank you.
Thank you
very
all.
much, guys.
Be active. Be active in the group. Thanks, everybody.
Yeah, sure. Thank you. Thank you.
Okay,
Bye bye.
Thank you, Hemant.
Yeah,
It was
thank
nice
you.
Thank you.
organization.
We'll have
Okay.
one more casual call. I'll arrange something.
Yeah, sure.
I'll keep it open if this is. I'm going to.
Families and your good times during gas table or any time. Share some photographs on this.